In this video we will add some scripts for coin. So I created this coin by creating a cylinder, and then I put a texture on this cylinder, and now our coin is ready. We will add some scripts to it. Create JavaScript. First of all, I am writing one JavaScript for coin rotation. Rotate coin, and we will open this script into MonoDevelop. We will also create one more script. Okay, we'll do first this one. So here we can remove this start function, and in update function we can write rotation. For rotation there is a very easy method, transform dot rotate, and then we can add 0, 5, 0, and then space dot word. Okay, that's it. This function in JavaScript, transform.rotate, is for rotating some game object, and if we write here translate, then translate will move the object in certain direction. Okay, so we will save this script and then go to Unity, select our coin, and then we will add this script to our coin. That's it. Now we can play the game, and you will see a rotating coin. You see, coin is rotating now. Now we will add one C# script here, and we will call the C# script audio audio destroy coin. So we will add audio to on interaction with this coin. When player will interact with this coin, so then there should be one audio which should be run on collision. Okay, so for that, one important thing is that the third person, I have renamed that third person by clicking the rename and it to player. Okay, this is very important. Its name should be player, and then tag, you have to select this player tag for that player. Okay, this is very important for collision to take place. So now what we can do here, we can delete these two functions, and now we can add a trigger function. Okay, so in Unity, for trigger events we can add like private void on trigger enter, and then we will add here collider and other. Okay, this is the default style, and then here we'll make our if statement. Okay, so write if other dot name equal to player. So if object's name is player, then what will happen? So we'll say then audio source component, and then here we write audio source for this kind, and then we will type source dot play like this. Now we will be able to run our audio. So let's check this thing. We will select our cylinder, then we will add this audio and destroy script here, and then we will add one game object here. No need of game object, we can add one component here with this audio source, and here we will place our audio source for the coin. Okay, so I will go to audios, and I already have audio for this coin. So coin sound we can add here like this, and then we will remove this play on awake option. Okay, and Now one more thing, this cylinder have one capsule collider. So now if we this coin has this capsule collider, so we will trigger this collider actually. Okay, so if we trigger this collider, now if we play the game, you will listen the sound on collision. Okay, so our Jumpu actually was on a different track, so oh, we missed the coin actually. Yeah, now you listen the coin sound. Okay, so you can see the coin sound is playing on entering this area. Okay, this collider. So now what we'll do, we'll just rename this cylinder to coin, and we will add some more functions to this coin. Okay, so we already have this for destroying the game object. We will write here destroy game object. This is function for destroying the game object. So if we will enter the game object will be destroyed. But one thing that is necessary, because we are playing the sound also, so if the game object will be destroyed, then audio will not play. Okay, so for that we should add comma and 0.3 or 2, whatever you want, f for seconds. Okay, so we add this thing that this coin should be destroyed after 0.3 seconds. Okay, so we can save the script, and now we can check our coin. Let's see what will happen. Oh, we missed the coin. Yeah, we collect the coin. Okay, so you can see now coin is not available here, destroyed. Okay, so that's good, we have succeeded till here. Now we will add one more script for scores of the coin. Okay, so scores of scoring coin is a very important script, and that script will be applied on this player, not on coin. Okay, so we'll add one script here, C#, and we will say to score coin or coin score, whatever you want. So then we can open this script. Okay, so here we can remove these two functions, and on the top we will add one variable, public void int, public int points, we can say, and equal to 0. Okay, so it means that we have created one variable which is an integer, and its name is points, and its initial value is 0. Okay, so now we will add one function here. So we can add like this private, because this will be a private function, private on GUI, we can say, or any other name, whatever you want, GUI. And then so here we will add GUI dot label, and then new rect, and then we will give it to margin of 10 x-axis, 10 y-axis, like this, and we can say to, let's suppose 110. Okay, so here we can do like this, plus points. Okay, and yeah, before points we can say plus point. This is for heading. Okay, points, and then we can close this line with semicolon, Control S for save. So one mistake, we will change this plus to comma. Okay, that's the standard. Control S. Now we will mention this points variable into our this script, audio dot destroy coin script. Okay, so before destroy we will add our scores. So we can say here that other dot get component, and then we will mention here the score coin script, okay, this name of the script, and then we will do like this, and then dot and points, because these points variable is within this script, and then we will add plus plus, Control S for save, and then we will go to our Unity. We select our player. We will add this score kind script to our player, and then we will start our game. So I did some little modifications in this rectangle, and everything is same as I showed you. And now we can check our game, and you can see there is coins, and after adding one coin you can see here the count, okay. So now what we'll do, I told you that we should make this coin as a prefab. So in prefab we will come and we will drag this coin here. Now it's a already prefab, okay. Now we can delete this coin, no problem, and then we can place this coin again like this. Now this is a prefab, okay. And now we can duplicate this prefab as well. Control, and before duplicating we can create one empty object, and we can rename this object to coins, and then we can move this coin under this game object, sorry, this one, and then we can duplicate this coin like this. Control D, Control D, Control D. Now if we run the game, we can see our coins, and sorry, I think we will move jump booster will left like this, and now you can see our coin counts are also. So we have added 4 coins. So in this video we have successfully implemented our coin system, and I will add some coins and hurdles as well in my game, and then in next video we will do something new, okay.